Jason is at Daytona Beach, Florida. 1 year, 7 months. Years of age. There he goes. And there's Ashley, 5 years old. Let's see, I think it's May 11, 2012. We're at Daytona Beach, Florida. Having a good time with the kids. Ashley, say hi.
Hi, Mommy.
How are you? Uh-oh, and there goes Jason. And there's Daddy. Hey, Junior. Hi, Bubba. Hi. What you see? What you see, man? Jason. Where you going? Huh? Ashley? Hi, baby. Hi. Jason's a little cold. Jason? Hi, Bubba. Are you cold, Jason? Are you cold? Jason? And Ashley's playing with the sand. Ashley. Hi, Jason.
I need a shovel. Oh, no.
What's the matter, baby?